Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Spiritus, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode I think we will continue with measuring the spindle hubs or uprights or whatever you feel like calling it. The thing that connects the suspension arms to the wheel and strut. But I have bought some more tools on my way over to the garage, so let's start with me showing you that. So first we have a thread tool, a file for threads. I didn't have one before, so I wanted one. An extra caliper, just because. And what's required today are this one in particular. So it's an angle measurement thingy. Don't know the English word. We also have this, which is in Swedish it's smygvinkel, so secret angle. Basically use it to copy the angle that you're looking at, lock it in, and then you can use something like this to measure it. And also, I should know this in English, but the word slips my mind. So 90-degree angle. I have some of these things since before, but they are spread out everywhere. So now I bought some things to stay in the garage. So let's start with the suspension hubs. So I did a bit of test measuring. So I used this sneaky angle, and I'm assuming that this piece of metal is straight. And then basically I just do it like this so that I get the angle. And once I have the angle, I can use this one to put it like this. And then actually read that it's, in this case, 96 degrees. So that's one. So we are continuing to creating more planes. So this is another base plane. So I've been able to make some sort of measurements from this plane to this hole and this hole, as well as this one. It's not perfect, but I think it's something that I can start with. So here we have the rear hub, and I guess it's fitting to use the right hand one since we use the front right hand hub. And we have a few more things to consider here. So this one is cleaner, so it's easier to measure. Also the bearing is out, so we can get a good measurement to this surface. And then we have no more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections, plus the ones for the brake caliper and the backing plate for the handbrake. So this will be interesting, but we can easily get this plane, which is just an offset from this one. Same goes with this plane, and then we need to figure out if this one is 90 degrees in this direction as well as this direction. So that will be interesting as well. And I wonder if this is the same height as this. I don't think so. No, it's not. So that makes for more things to worry about. And with the new tools we can get this angle, so the angle between this surface and this. The same goes for this one. You can also take this angle as well as this angle, and yeah, let's see what we get. Let's start measuring. So the battery ran out in my GoPro, but we have lots and lots of measurements. So hopefully I will be able to figure out all the things that I've written down, drawn up. I'm not an art major, as you can tell, but it was really convenient to have these tools. Made it a lot easier to measure, but I will still 3D print a few cones so that I can measure the shortest distance between the center of each hole. And I guess if I'm off by a millimeter here or there, then it's not really the end of the world. I can improve the models later on, but I will try and be as accurate as I can be. So that's the end of this episode. Hopefully I can do some 3D models of this so that we can move on and do the final sandblasting step, and then put some paint on, put some bearings in, mount it on the car, and go and do some burnouts. That would be fun. But yeah, we will see, one step at a time. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.